guys, it's Radisblock here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a rap beat. So first you want to go to add, and then you want to go to channel. You want to add, go to subtractive and choose GMS. I'm just going to be using GMS. I would usually use like Massive or Nexus or one of those programs, but for everybody's sake, since FL Studio comes with GMS, I'm going to be using it. So I'm going to go to Leads and Synths, and I'm going to go to Dreamer. Yeah, Dreamer. Alright, so I already have a melody ready made. I already planned out a melody, so I'm just gonna paste that, and then I'm gonna show you. Alright, so this is how it's gonna sound. Yeah, so I'm gonna raise it to the higher octave, since I'm going to be I don't want, like, it has like a bass, so I don't want, when I add the 808 kick or the another bass to it, I don't want it to interfere. And like if you have a lot of bass, here I'll just give you an example. So for this instance, I'm gonna add this to the mixer, add an EQ, and raise the bass a little bit more. And if I add 3x oscillator and just give it a sine noise, and put it low, it'll kind of interfere with it, See how it sounds a bit like iffy? So I'm gonna raise this melody to a higher octave, and then since I already have the bass in here, I'm gonna change the bass sound. I'm gonna give it 2 triangles, like the triangle sound, So it's more of a triangle. Yeah, I don't know what I'm saying. All right, my bad. So I'm gonna go from D sharp to A, and then down to G sharp, and make that last throughout the rest of it. But it sounds kind of empty, so I'm going to add another instrument. So I'm going to clone GMS by right-clicking and going to clone, and I'm going to choose a different sound. So I'm just going to go through and check out what sounds good. If I lower that might sound good. Yeah, that sounds great. Alright, so now it's time to make a beat. I have my own pack that I've been using for a while for these type of rap beats. So I'm going to well, first I want a kick to give it more excitement, So I'm gonna get that. And I don't like that white noise after it. So I'm gonna see if I can make that better by making it shorter. If you increase this, how it says in, that makes it it decreases volume from here, from the beginning, and out. It decreases volume from here on out, from the right side to the left side. So for instance, if I get an 808 kick right here and increase the out, see how it's it makes this triangle shape? If you increase the out, it makes it just shorter. It just decreases the volume and makes it a lot shorter. See, if I decrease it all the way, it's super long. Alright, so I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to continue the tutorial. Alright, so what I like to do if the kick isn't loud enough, well, hold on. that's there. Now I just want a snare. That sounds good. Alright, so now we got that. I want to add a clap onto that. I forgot to add something. Hold on. Okay, sorry. One sec. Alright. Alright, now I want to add a hi-hat. So, I'm gonna right click and then go to, I'm just gonna fill each 2 steps. And that sounds a bit loud, so I'm gonna decrease the volume a bit. And then I'm gonna go into the piano roll and give it like, make the hi-hat go like really, really quickly, you know? So I'm gonna go like this. And then I want an open hat, so I'm going to add this noise. Alright, so kinda gonna experiment with this. Hold on. I'm gonna mute that. Alright, so I feel like the melody's a little bit kind of like boring, so I'm going to add another melody on top of it, just a little bit quieter, but to give it a bit more excitement, you know. So I'm gonna clone GMS once again, and then find another sound. Oh, we just want to see. Alright. See, this noise isn't too nice, so I'm gonna change it. The beats coming together, but I feel like there's a better sounds for this. There are better sounds, you know? Alright, I'll be back. Okay, so I finally made my mind. I decided to go with under leads and synth, I decided to go with Digichord. So this is how it sounds. So I'm gonna just add a few more instruments. I'm gonna go, if you have this back, I'm just going under urban like voices. So
Yeah.
I'm just gonna do this. So I think that sounds really good. So right now I don't really know what else to add, so I'm just gonna conclude the tutorial. Thanks for watching. That's pretty much how you make a rap beat. You can make a song out of this. I don't really care, as long as you don't even have to give me permission for it. Screw it, I don't care. So enjoy, make a song out of this, and should make sure you tell me, because I would like to know if you make a song out of it. I want to hear this stuff. If you guys, even if you guys crap, what am I doing? Okay, if you guys make a song using my one of my like EDM melodies or anything like that, share it with me. I want to listen to them. Alright, thank you guys. Bye.